Hello everyone, welcome to Halsey's Kitchen. I'll be making my dinner for tonight. It'll be a chicken meal. I got this chicken batter mix here. I'm going to put a little bit of that in a bag so I can batter up this chicken here. That should be plenty for this one piece. This is a nice fresh piece of chicken here. I'm going to cook it just the way it is. Toss it right in this bag and shake it around, hopefully get some coating on it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, hot pan. Olive oil. Healthy cooking, olive oil. If you really want to go healthy, boil your chicken or put it in the oven, but we're just going to go this route today. Okay, here we go. Chicken in the pan. Okay, I'm going to flip that around a couple times, get the rice going. We'll be back to put it on a plate. Thanks, and I'll be back. Okay, and we're back. Everything is done. This is ready to be put on a plate. Get the chicken shut off. This chicken turned out very nicely. A couple of small additions here and we'll be all done. Do a few croutons around the edge here, just because I like croutons. There's that. Now on the back side of the rice here, and do a few cherry tomatoes. And over top of the chicken, just opened this fresh right now. Find a spoon. This stuff here is really good. Hot chopped peppers, just a combination of different stuff. I'm going to spoon some of that. Not much because it's very hot. Spoon some of that onto the chicken. Then we're going to do a little bit just in the middle of the rice there. One final touch. Cracked black pepper all over the place. Okay, and that's what we got at the end. Breaded chicken, cooked in olive oil. Some steamed rice in a bag with vegetables already added. Cherry tomatoes around the outside. Croutons to go with it. Spicy mixed hot pepper relish all over the top of everything. Thanks for tuning in to Halsey's Kitchen. And we'll see you next time.